I have the Wyze rechargeable night lights right here. This is a 3-pack of Wyze rechargeable night lights. These are super nice because these are special because these here can connect together, and when they connect together, they're going to go ahead and turn off and turn on together too as well. So as soon as one detects that there's motion, it'll go ahead and turn them on together with them. And you go ahead and connect them. Maybe you only want 2 of them together. That's fine. You can also connect them that way too. But all you have to do is go ahead and we'll turn these here off, all with them. And then the ones that you want to connect together, let's say I want this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start kind of blinking right there for about 30 seconds. And we'll go ahead and connect these right here together. And now they should be connected. Now, when our motion is detected on one of them, they'll both go off with them, which makes it really nice and easy. So motion will be detected, for example, on these right here, and they'll go off anywhere. So if we have one in the hallway, for example, and we have one in the bathroom or around the corner, when someone detects someone that's coming close to the bathroom, they go ahead and turn this one here on and also this one here on too. So that way they're not going to be walking in the bathroom in the dark, for example, in the middle of the night. The cool thing is it comes with these really, really cute stickers. They can also put them on, especially for like kids and stuff like that for like their bedrooms. These are rechargeable. So it also comes with these metal plates that you put onto the wall using these stickers right here with them. And then you go ahead and take them on and off the wall because look, they're magnetized in the back right there. So all you do is when you need to go ahead and recharge them, you just take them off the wall, recharge them up, uses USB-C cord to go ahead and charge them up with them, and that's it. You go ahead and throw them back on the wall again, you're good to go. But right there it is. But these are the Wyze rechargeable night lights right here. There they are, and I hope you enjoy them as well.